All right, folks, I am here to show you Schoology conferences and using the whiteboard with the Wacom tablet. I'm going to go ahead and hop over to my already started conference for sake of time. All right, I have the ability over here to use some tools, but this is not looking good because I don't have a whiteboard. So really nice and handy from Big Blue Button. They give you a whiteboard. Now, if you were going to import your own slides, I always keep one blank. So you can always use that. If I come up here to tools now, I can choose the pen, I can choose the thickness and the color. Okay, and I have noticed that it does have a little bit of a delay because it is showing you who's writing on the tool. So I'm going to tap off of multi-user. And if I go in here now, it is not putting my name next to it. But you do see, coming from the Wacom tablet, you see that line is being drawn with the red mark. So that's where the tip of the Wacom pen is as I am drawing these lines. So just keep that in mind as you are drawing here on the whiteboard. If I wanted to go ahead and switch over to any of the different shapes and those options, I can do that. I can change colors and thickness again. If any time I want to undo, I just tap on the undo and it undoes what I just did. And I can also go ahead and erase and trash that. I can also go up here and add a piece of text. Now, I highly recommend using your keyboard because I have not found good consistency, but you might. Oh, here comes the keyboard. So the keyboard sometimes pops in and out. I haven't gotten it to come up every single time and then it disappears. So in conferences, I've not had good luck with that. If I wanted to change the font size, I can also do that if I'm in the font category, but I can just type in from my keyboard super quick and be done. All right, so this is the whiteboard here in Schoology. I hope that you have a good time utilizing this tool, and please reach out if you need further assistance. Take care.